Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting foundation. Clean hair, no conditioners, towel dried, then act. Start palm rolling or finger rolling each loose section to form a core, about 0.52 cm at the roots. Once done, use a small amount of natural wax or locking gel to control flyaways. Make sure to avoid silicone products because they inhibit knotting. You're starting the interlocking process now, so work quickly and consistently, repeating each section until the whole head has defined cores. Once cores exist, you shift to building and tightening. Palm roll weakly at first, then move to biweekly as knots form. This encourages uniform locks. For stubborn loops, use a small crochet hook, 0.6 to 0.9 mm, and pull stray hairs into the shaft, but make sure not to over-crochet because that creates thin, weak spots. Wash with a residue-free shampoo every 1 to 2 weeks and always dry completely within 24 hours to prevent mildew. This keeps the internal. You're finishing the process. Trim uneven ends at 6 to 12 months to refine shape, and switch to monthly maintenance to preserve integrity. If locks thin, focus on palm rolling, root tucking, or targeted crochet to strengthen weak spots. Make sure to distribute tension evenly. For troubleshooting, if odor or mold shows up, rewash using hotter water and 1 tablespoon baking soda added to shampoo, rinse thoroughly, and dry fully in sunlight or with a dryer. This kills spores and restores freshness. Don't leave them damp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.